6 years ago, Whitney Rumble quit her 9-to-5 job to start her own jewelry line. She works out of her home in Fishtown.
It's called Anethum Jewelry. Anethum is the Latin term for the dill plant. My old dog's name was Dill, and I was like, oh, I kind of want to do a little shout out for him.
Whitney started out making jewelry for herself, but knew she had something special because friends kept asking her to make stuff for them, and she was selling well through Etsy.
And then in 2016, I started making boob-shaped jewelry, and that's kind of when it took off.
Actress Rachel Brosnahan from the popular Marvelous Mrs. Maisel was gifted one of Whitney's boob rings as a nod to the character's mantra to stick out her chest when she goes on stage. Brosnahan gave Anethum a shout out on Instagram, and then Whitney's little business skyrocketed.
Yeah, people always ask, why boobs? And I was just like, I feel like it's a fun, women empowerment. I try to make stuff that's fun, and then after the boob line, stuff that also gives back. So stuff from the boob line goes to Planned Parenthood and the ACLU, and then I also make a food line that gives back to Feeding America. I was just trying to figure out how I can give back with my strengths. So I was like, okay, I like to make these things. So if I donate a percentage of the proceeds, that'll be my way of helping make the world a better place.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.